美国众议院中国问题特别委员会来台湾访问，今仔日早起就去见总统蔡英文，甲咧要上任的赖清德参萧美琴。蔡总统是真感谢委员会重视台湾的防卫能力，也关心相当扣税的立法进度。也那美国方面，这众议员是强调讲，台湾就是自由甲民主的典范，希望台美关系会当愈来愈进步。
You're going to leave office soon. If you want to try your hand at American politics, the people of Northeast Wisconsin would welcome you. As a Democrat. That's right. That's right.
Oh, okay.
讲笑要邀请蔡总统卸任后转往美国政坛，众议院中国问题特别委员会主席盖拉格带跨党派议员访问台湾。蔡总统特别感谢这个委员会重视台湾自我防卫能力，佮持续关心台美相当扣税的立法进度，佮讲坚定支持台湾。
Freedom will prevail if provided there are people that are willing to defend and advance it. And in light of that, I just want to say thank you, Madam President. And today, freedom is under attack from authoritarian aggression, and we need to be more vigilant than ever.
There's a direct flight every single day from Chicago to Taipei. Sometimes you need to take the longest flights to visit some of your closest friends.
俄罗台湾是全世界自由民主的模范，希望台美的关系交流愈来愈稳健。访问团所来甲副总统赖清德以及未来的副总统萧美琴会面交流。
集权或是世界的各项挑战，我会跟副总统当选人萧美琴女士，在520上任之后，我们会团结合作，也希望能够跟美国为首的民主世界团结在一起。 在午宴前的记者会，国内外媒体关心美国对台军售援助的问题也未解决。众议员克里希纳莫提建议，美国应该考虑在台湾共同生产军备，来改善交换援助的情况。
Taiwan could be a potentially great partner in the production of 155mm artillery. They can make locally. And that we don't have to worry about necessarily stressing the supply chains in other parts of the world.
众议员拢总5人，下晡前往立法院拜会，是新任院长韩国瑜头一组接见的美国议员团。
Thank you so much for having us. Appreciate it. Captain McKenna, it's the best rank in the military.
访团一定伫台湾停留到24，甲南方相关部会就台美经贸、印太区的情势这重要议题交换意见。记者综合报道。